Happy birthday to you. You're watching Jackass?
And we're gonna blow up this. You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And
I'm
these are our
Sonny.
friends and family. And you're joining us for our Friendsgiving.
Have some ceviche with no stems. Pound of D.
Let's go.
Ceviche with no This is the smallest sriracha I've ever seen. Smallest. 10 cents, bro. You can get it. 66.
Happy Friendsgiving.
One of these lovely animals loses their life.
I think it's like every week.
It's every party. I'm sorry, but this is the sacrificial pig that a Filipino sacrifices every year for the good of his country.
It was a full pig.
Yeah, so we prayed before we cut him up. Now we're gonna devour him. Come join us. A Filipino spaghetti. Because usually this takes up your whole plate. So I like a lot of sauce on my spaghetti. Some people don't, but this thing is amazing.
This is actually all I want, spaghetti, because I've been helping cook the whole day. Chunks of hot dog.
Beats any spaghetti. If you guys want us to do a video on how to make this, leave some comments down below. So this is lechon. This is what the sacrificial pig turns out to be. We cut it up so it's bite-sized so everyone can eat. There's also fixings. You got some potatoes, some carrots. We have here what we call ranch, I think this is, or blue cheese. They look the same, man.
That's a fucking whole lot of blue cheese just for that fucking chicken.
We have your traditional Shanghai Filipino lumpia, and then we have some siomai, which is pork and shrimp. It's a dumpling, literally. Korean wings.
Chicken wings. Then we got some barbecue chicken. Or barbecue pork. No, it's chicken. It's chicken.
And what Dave is grabbing there is called flan, Filipino style.
I'm about to cevichealize somebody.
Yeah. We got some shrimp. You gotta suck the head out of the shrimp.
I mean, this right here is
Mang Tomas.
what we call mang tomas sauce. It's made with liver.
Is that beaded?
It's delicious. And this is the sauce that traditionally goes with the sacrificial pig, also known as lechon. This oddball of a bowl right here is mashed potato. I don't know who brought it. I don't know who made it. It wasn't him because he didn't know what it was. And you gotta, of course, have rice.
That's rice.
And that's Ricky.
That's rice, and I'm Ricky. This is I Love I. Welcome to Friendsgiving, the most unique Friendsgiving at this moment in this fucking planet. No one's got a better thing, Friendsgiving than this.
And this Friendsgiving was brought to you by
Calls your name.
Jameson. I mean, Jameson didn't really sponsor us. We just drank a lot of Jameson together. That's how we became friends.
All right. This spaghetti's damn delicious, though.
It's always a fun night hanging out with the friends and fam. But thank you for joining us here today. Hope you guys are having a safe Thanksgiving.
Yeah, man, don't drink and drive. If you gotta do Uber out,
Uber.
stay safe out there, yo. And make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification
Hit that like button as well.
so that way you can watch more videos just like this one.
Most of all, share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.